Today we are looking at the best smartphone for running VIPs efficiently. VIPs, the popular mobile payment app, requires a device that is fast, reliable, and secure. For seamless transactions, your phone needs a strong processor, enough RAM, and a responsive display. The Apple iPhone 15 stands out as a top choice. With its A17 Bionic chip and 6 GB of RAM, it handles VIPs and other financial apps without any lag. The iOS ecosystem ensures timely security updates, which is crucial for mobile banking and payment services. The Super Retina XDR display makes navigation smooth, and Face ID adds an extra layer of security. The iPhone 15 starts at $799, offering excellent performance for both casual and heavy users. For Android enthusiasts, the Samsung Galaxy S24 is highly recommended. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 8 GB of RAM, it runs VIPs flawlessly. Samsung's Nuggs security platform protects sensitive transactions, and the dynamic AMOLED 2X display provides crisp visuals for easy readability of app interfaces. The Galaxy S24 starts at $999 and includes long-lasting battery life, ensuring uninterrupted access to the app throughout the day. Another strong option is the Google Pixel 8 Pro. It combines a smooth Android experience with the Google Tensor G3 chip, making it quick for payment operations. VIPs runs efficiently, and Google's security updates are frequent and reliable. The Pixel 8 Pro also features a vibrant OLED display and a clean user interface, starting at $899, making it an excellent balance of performance and affordability. Choosing the right smartphone for running VIPs comes down to speed, security, and display quality. Devices like the iPhone 15, Samsung Galaxy S24, and Google Pixel 8 Pro excel in these areas. They ensure fast transactions, robust protection, and an overall smooth app experience. Investing in any of these phones guarantees that using VIPs will be effortless and reliable.